Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to set up DVWA in our machines. When you are starting with penetration testing, your major concern is where to practice what you have learned. Needless to say that hacking is a criminal offense and practicing your skills on any random site can land you behind the bars. Worry not, because we have DVWA for this purpose. DVWA is an application that is deliberately made vulnerable. The motive behind this application is to allow security professionals like us to test their skills and tools in a legal environment. Web developers can also make use of this application to better understand the process of making this application secure. Step 1 is to download DVWA. For this, go to this URL. It is also mentioned in the description of this video. Scroll down and click on this download button. Click OK and wait for the download to complete. Once download is completed, go to your terminal, go to your download location. Now unzip this file. For the ease of use, we will change the name of this file. Step 2 is to set up a web server. DVWA needs Apache, PHP, and MySQL. We can install them separately, or we can go for an easy way and install XAMPP. For installing XAMPP, go to this URL and select the appropriate version. For us, this is the appropriate version. Okay. Now it will take some time for the download to complete. Once the download is complete, go to the downloads folder and here is our file. Now let's check the permissions. As you can see over here, we don't have execution permission for this file. In order to give execution permissions, type sudo and the name of our file. Now our file have execution permissions, so just execute it. As you can see, we have got an error over here. So now we will switch back to our root user. Click on next and make sure you check both of these options. Click on next, and it is also important to note down this path. Next, next, remember we noted one path. Just go to that directory. We need to run this file. Now go to manage servers. As we can see, these two servers are stopped. This is because we already have MySQL database installed separately. Now again, run this file. Go to Manage Servers and click on Start All. Now you can see that all our servers are running successfully. Just minimize this control panel. Now it's time for our step 3. For this, let me open another terminal. In our download folder, list down the contents. Now we have to move this directory to the public HTML directory of XAMPP. Let's do this. Now we have to go to this path where we moved our directory. List down the contents. Go to config directory. Now this is our configuration file. Just make a copy of it. We are doing this so that if anything goes wrong, we can revert our changes. To remember to remove this extension. Our final file should be just this. Hit enter. Now open this file. You can use any editor. I'm using Nano for it. Go down and remove this value. Now only 2 quotation marks should remain, which means that we are setting no password for it. Save this file. Now that we are done with the setup, go to your browser. Scroll down and click on Create Reset Database. Our username is admin and password is password. Click on Login. We have successfully logged in to our DVWA application, which means our setup was successful. Thank you for watching this video.